another hair tutorial. Super short, super quick, but it was super easy.
I think it's nice at the back when you put the hat on and just nice. Welcome back to our channel. How's everybody doing?
We hope you guys are having a lovely day. For those of you that are new here, my name is Denise.
My name is Sosina.
Today we have another hair tutorial. We're doing like a fun little, it's like a twist on braids. It's kind of like a braid but with a bunch of elastics. It looks really cool at the end. I'll put a picture here. It's kind of hard to explain and I don't know if there's like a name for this. We saw it on TikTok.
So there's no like the name for it.
Yeah, we're just gonna
it's
a twist on a braid. It's something cool.
Yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. It's better to curl your hair first. To do that, I'm just gonna part it in half.
Yeah, you want the hair curled. You'll see it just gives it more volume. And more of like more shape to the braid. You'll see what we're talking about.
Now how it looks, it just part in half. I'm just gonna tie the one half. Just gonna do this, just comb it. Don't comb it all the way down there because you don't want to ruin the curls. I'm just gonna take half of the hair and then just tie it like at the neck.
Yeah, so it's like if you have a pigtail, you just want to split the pigtail in two halves.
Into half, yeah. And
basically you're making two pigtails out of one pigtail.
And then make sure it's like just low and then just at the neck. And then just take two, like the half we have at the bottom, we take it in two pieces. And then bring it at the front, tie it again. I'm doing it twice because like it depends how many like your hair. And then just bring the one like, you know, from the first one, just two pieces. And then just put it around two again and then tie it. And then you just keep doing that, like bring it around just and then tie it just all the way down. I tied it 3 times because when you go down, it just keeps getting less. And then at the bottom, you just flip the hair flip it up. It just kind of fold it.
Like if you're tying a bun.
Yeah. And then just tie it with the hair tie. Let me just do it again. And then just tie it. That's how it looks at the bottom. And then you just like pull the hair just to make it like puffy and big. I just pull the hair. It looks like this, and then we're just gonna do the other one the same thing, and then we'll be right back. Okay, we are done. That's how it looks like. I actually love it. It's just easy. Like it took us how many minutes? Less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes. It's just something simple, but like it's cute. I like it. Even like you can try it with hat on. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we're gonna try it with a hat on. Should we hit them with a little montage?
Montage!
So that was all for our little hair tutorial today. Super short, super quick, but it was super easy. Just something like fun.
Something
and
easy.
different.
It's just like literally you can do this like every day.
Yeah, so quick, easy, but then it looks really cool, which is like awesome because it didn't take long at all. You know, we're loving like these little bubble hairstyles.
No, we never tried this stuff, eh?
Yeah, I don't know if I
love
like it from the front.
I think it's nice at the back when you put the hat on, and it's just nice.
Yeah, it looks better at the back. But that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and leave a comment on this video if you want to see more hair tutorials. We actually have a couple other ones. We'll leave the link in the description.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, show some love. You know what I mean? We're trying out here. And we'll see you in the next video.